Welcome to our tutorial on how to go live video on X, Twitter, updated. Whether you're looking to share a special moment or interact with your followers in real time, going live on X is a great way to engage with your audience. Let's walk through the steps together. First, open the X app on your Android device. Look for the plus icon at the bottom of the screen and tap on it. From the menu that pops up, select Go Live. Next, you'll be prompted to tap Continue to confirm that you're ready to start your live video. Make sure you're in a well-lit area with a stable internet connection for the best quality stream. Once you've selected the video option, tap Post at the top right corner of the screen to go live. Take a moment to write a catchy description for your video to give your followers a preview of what's to come. And there you have it. You're now live on X, ready to share your moments with your followers. Remember to engage with your viewers by responding to comments and questions in real time. Going live on X is a fantastic way to connect with your audience and share authentic moments. So go ahead, tap that plus icon, and start your live video today. Happy streaming!